Hey LME family, welcome to my channel where you can join me to talk about lifestyle, beauty, and hair. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe.
Brush my hair into to a wrap, into a circle, and then this side, my left side, because it's short, I'll go ahead and brush it up and put like 3 clamps, 1 clamp here, 1 clamp here, 1 clamp there, to make sure this side doesn't fall. And then I use a do-rag to put on my hair. I have not added oil in my hair since she put it. Doesn't look dry. It looks awesome. It is beautiful. I'm excited. I will be posting pictures after this video, but I just want to check in with you guys, let you know no headaches, no pain, I just woke up feeling good, hair done. It doesn't smell. It is raw Cambodian hair. It's nothing mixed with it. Straight raw Cambodian hair. It's very soft, very sleek. This is the alternative option to take advantage of, to look into, to do some research, and you can actually reach out to us. We'll help you through the process of understanding things, of what you're looking for and what texture you're trying to buy. But it's painless. You know how them sew-ins go with the needle and the thread, and gotta take ibuprofen because your head hurt, your edges pull. Oh, I wish they would have came out with this sooner, but I'm thankful. But it's worth it. I just feel like the amount you're gonna pay for regular threading bundles, you could do the taping. Okay, this will be the last part to the video. Okay, do not throw away the hair. It is rewashable. It is reusable, and you can reinstall the adhesive strip onto the track part of the hair where the adhesive goes, so you can reinstall it back into your hair.
Down, let me see you tighten up. Do your dance, baby, gon' cut it up. Look back, drop it low, tear it up.